To form our old river, we are going to create a flattened valley, and the river will be wide. In the river, there will be big meanders and oxbow lakes. The stream bed shape will be pretty smooth, but the bottom will be covered in mud. This river will look similar to the Mississippi River.
To form a mature river, we are going to make a deep channel with a flat-bottomed valley and a moderate slope. There are some meanders, and the water flow will be moderate with few rapids. It should look very similar to the upper Missouri River.
This mature river carries a load that eroded when it was closer to its source. To form our young river, we are going to create a high and steep valley that surrounds the river. This valley will be V-shaped and super steep. We are also going to make it fairly shallow, as this is how young rivers typically are. Our river will be generally straight, and it will have a rough bottom, since this is how young rivers are, like the Colorado River. It will also contain rapids. We will make an oxbow lake by creating a very wide meander. After a lot of time, the meander will become very curved, and the neck of the meander will become narrow, and the river will cut across the neck, getting rid of the meander and creating an oxbow lake. In this river, the water velocity is faster in the meanders of the river. When the water is flowing straight, the water flow is steady. The water in the center of the stream is fast-paced, while the water touching the edges of the valley are slower because of friction.
Erosion occurs at the cut banks on the outer part of the meander, and deposition occurs on the river's inner part called the point bar. We are going to form our river delta by creating a lot of sediment towards the end of the river, which will then break out and create a delta. The delta is formed by creating a lot of ground sediment that gets carried into the bigger lake.